What's up guys, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to unbox the MI Polarized Square sunglass. As you can see that it's written that it is ultraviolet 400 protection and it is also scratch resistant, and at the same time it also having the advanced TR90 frame. This frame, as you can see that, let's take a look of that box, and as it is written this side that MI Polarized Square sunglass, and here it is given the price of the product, and it is manufactured by Gelato Optical Beijing Corp and District etc, and imported by Sami Technology India Private Limited. And here this side also MI Polarized Square sunglass written, and let's open it. Wow, as you can see that it's, I don't think that it's pure leather, but it's some kind of hard leather like artificial material, and it will give you the feelings of the leather, but it's not that much smooth. It's rough and harsh, okay, but looks nice. The color of that this container is pretty good. And here is and here you can see the interior part of this container, and here is the microfiber cloth to clean the glass. Okay, now let's unpack it. As you can see that here is the glass, and here it is a note given, and hope you can see it, and if you want to read it you can pause the video and go through it. And this is what the material, it looks nice and smooth. It's having the ceramic coating feeling. Okay, I don't know whether it is coated by ceramic, whether it is having the ceramic coated or not, but it's having the smooth and ceramic coated feeling. And here is the glass, and as you can see, I can bring something. Let's take a look of the physical view. This side, as you can see, this is how the glass look like. I haven't worn it, and I'll wear it and tell you the whether it worth 900 rupees almost. It is 899, and it's some kind of lightweight. The product is very light in compared to the price. Okay, I don't know what is this material the frame is made of. Okay, that's good. And if you have any inquiries, please let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.